Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the Rekt Capital channel. Today we're going to be focusing on the newest monthly candle close. June has just closed and let's talk about what that means through the lens of the macro view for Bitcoin's price action and its logarithmic growth curve channel right over here. Let's dive right into the video. Update, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. So this recent monthly candle close right over here is a positive one compared to history. And we have to look at mid-cycle correction 2013 over here, where we saw downside wicking below the 0.382 Fibonacci level right over here, downside wicking all the time effectively for a few months at a time. Whereas here, we've seen the same thing take place, and this monthly candle close actually closed above this Fibonacci 0.382. So really positive to see that this support is still holding, even though it's July, and even though we're seeing downside this early in the new month. Of course, so much more can change over the course of the next 30 days or so. And of course, we have to understand that Bitcoin is in a sideways channel at the moment, in a consolidation range. So this is going to move sideways, but what Bitcoin needs to do if it wants to preserve its mid-cycle qualities, it needs to flick up right above this Fibonacci once again as July progresses. And there's a lot of scope for that to happen because it's still a young month. But at the same time, we need to start seeing a higher low, which would be denoted by this growth curve Fibonacci level. This 0.382 Fibonacci is at an incline. There is a series of higher lows that it wants to implement and influence onto Bitcoin's price action, and Bitcoin needs to close this month probably above 34,000 in June. 34,500 was the level that we had to close above, and we did. So this month, this higher low is increasing, so it will probably be above $36,000, and we have a lot of time for that to happen. But at the moment, this will probably, as long as history repeats, this July candle will probably end up as a wick in the future, which means that we could still see downside to even as low as the red level, theoretically speaking, if we just compare this mid-cycle to this mid-cycle, right? Because we've seen downside wicking below the Fibonacci level over here, downside wicking as well, and even downside wicking here. So really important to understand that through the lens of the monthly time frame, this current July candle could still change in many ways and could end up by the end of July, because we'll be closing at the end of July. So this could still end up as a downside wick into this area, wherever that may be. So really important to understand that lots can still change, but this monthly candle close is still in line with historically recurrent tendencies inside this logarithmic growth curve channel for Bitcoin. So at the moment, things are going, so well. So at the moment, so far, so good. Let's see if Bitcoin is able to curl up from these levels right over here, potentially even wick towards the downside a little bit more, but ultimately manage a monthly candle close above this Fibonacci level once again. And as long as we have that continued price strength confirmation relative to this Fibonacci level, as we've seen in May, as we've seen in June, then we can have a developed sense of confidence that we're indeed holding the stability at this key historical region, and that a mid-cycle argument will continue to be intact. In fact, we're still just mirroring the mid-cycle of 2013 quite nicely, and as long as we close above the Fibonacci level once again later this month, then that will be history repeating itself going forward as well. So in any case, guys, that's about it for this monthly candle close in the context of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Like the video if you enjoyed this one and want to see more videos like this going forward. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one.